turn your hotel's social media content into an active community of engaged and future guests. Here's your plan. Greetings, hotel aficionados. You're tuning into the Hotel Helpcast podcast, where empty rooms meet their match and hospitality dreams turn to reality. Whether you're a boutique beginner or a resort superstar, this is your one-stop shop for insider tips. I'm your host, Jerry McPherson, and it's time to fluff those pillows and elevate your game. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on a ton of great info. Your hotel's social media presence is crucial. A vibrant platform for appealing to guests, sharing riveting content, and developing a sense of community. This episode will guide you through the vital steps to create and sustain a truly successful social media community, widening your property's reach and welcoming new guests. Hey there! Are you dreaming of opening those grand hotel doors? Or maybe elevating that cozy inn you already own? You're in the right place. Say hello to our game changer. Check into success, building and running your hotel business course. Picture this: guests raving about your top-notch service, staff beaming with pride, and that fully booked sign flashing every single night. Sound like a dream? We're here to make it your reality. Here's the scoop: 85 juicy lessons. Watch them, hear them, or read them. Your pick. And hey, don't forget those quizzes after each module to see how you're doing. Real talk from insider pros. We've got the latest trends and insights to keep you ahead. The perfect blend of know-how and flair. Learn the ropes and add that special touch only you can. Quick peek at what's inside? From brainstorming your hotel concept, navigating the financial maze, crafting a standout brand, all the way to ensuring your guests are treated like royalty. And there are some bonus goodies in there too. All right, enough with the suspense. Your dream hotel? Not just a vision, it's a journey, and it starts with Check Into Success, building and running your hotel business course. So are you ready to turn that open sign on and make some magic? Let's get started. Enroll, and let's build that dream together. Shaping a consistent brand identity. Your hotel's social media profiles should be an extension of your hotel, offering a consistent look and feel that rings with your target guest. Consistency in visuals, tone, and messaging across social media platforms will help you in reinforcing your brand identity, making your hotel easily recognizable and memorable to potential guests, creating appealing and valuable content. The heart of a successful social media strategy has to lay within your content. Whether it's beautiful visuals of your hotel, behind-the-scenes peeks at your daily operations, or informative posts about local attractions, your content should captivate and add value to your followers. Encourage user-generated content by asking guests to share their experiences and photos using a branded hashtag, nurturing a sense of community and authenticity. The power of engagement. Responding promptly and thoughtfully to comments, messages, and reviews not only shows that you value your guests' feedback, but also enhances your hotel's reputation. Regularly engaging with your guests and potential visitors can turn casual followers into loyal supporters of your property. Using social media for promotions and offers. Social media platforms offer an opportunity to promote any special offers, events, and packages you may have directly to your target guest. Exclusive social media promotions can encourage followers to book directly through your platforms, boosting direct bookings and promoting a sense of exclusivity among your social media community. Analyzing your strategy. Regularly analyze your engagement metrics and audience insights to clarify the effectiveness of your social media efforts. This data can help you understand what content works with your followers, allowing you to refine your strategy and content to better meet their needs. Now, if these ideas make you hungry for more hotel hacks, I've got a treat. Download our free PDF, Unlocking Hospitality Success: 25 Must-Know Insights for Independent Hotel Owners. It's like the golden ticket, but for hotel owners. So go on, snag it, and elevate your game. You can find the link in the show notes. Have you ever chosen a hotel to stay based on their social media presence? Share your experiences in the comments. In conclusion, generating content and engaging with your community on social media can significantly enhance your hotel's digital footprint and will lead to direct bookings. By establishing a consistent brand identity, crafting engaging hotel social media content, actively engaging with your audience, utilizing media for promotions, and continually adapting your strategy based on analytics, you can transform your hotel's social media content into lively communities of engagement and future guests. In the next episode, I will be talking about using storytelling in your hotel content marketing. That's it for today's episode of Hotel Your Helpcast podcast. Keep those lobbies lively and the feedback flowing, and always remember, it's the little touches that make the big waves in hospitality. Checking out for now. Until next time, stay inspired. The Hotel Your Helpcast podcast is part of the Keystone HPD network.